As we come together for this week's flag raising ceremony, it is an honor and privilege to introduce a dedicated public servant who embodies courage, discipline, and commitment to public safety. Our guest speaker is a proud graduate of the Philippine National Police Academy, where he earned her Bachelor of Science in Public Safety in 2024. He entered the fire service on April 19, 2024, and since then has shown remarkable dedication to his duty and profession. He serves as the acting chief of the Operations Division of the Regional Office 10 and currently the Station Commander of Station 6 Kauswagan Fire Station under the Cagayan de Oro Fire District. He has completed numerous specialized trainings and is also a proud graduate of the Fire Officer Basic Course, reflecting his commitment to the continuous growth and excellence in the field of fire service and public safety. Let us all give a full attention and warm a round of applause as we welcome our guest speaker this morning, Fire Inspector Precious Marciano R. Cortez, sir.
To our very dynamic and steadfast Regional Director, Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Traducer, to our committed and dependable Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan Asok Cabot, sir. To our humble and dedicated Assistant Regional Director for Operation, Fire Senior Superintendent Rix Cliburn Salbanya, sir. To our very hardworking Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabrizor, to all divisions and sections chief, to all commissioned and non-commissioned officers, non-uniformed personnel, and fellow firefighters, a pleasant morning to everyone. It is truly an honor and privilege to stand before you today as I look around this place filled with aspiring leaders, warriors of service, and dedicated personnel of the Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 10. I am reminded of where I came from. I came from the hallowed grounds of the Philippine National Police Academy. That is where my journey began. Like many of you, I started not with rank or medals, but with a dream and a heart that beats not for comfort, but for our country. In the academy, time passed in an exhausting and repetitive cycle. The training was relentless, the discipline was unforgiving. And in the quiet moments, especially after lights out, doubt had a way of speaking the loudest. It crept in like a shadow, whispering questions about worth, strength, and purpose. But it was in that silence that one of my greatest lessons had found me. Not from a textbook, not in a classroom, but from a mentor, the former Commandant of Cadets in PNPA, Brigadier General Jason Carpio de Guzman, who saw the storm behind my stillness, pulled me aside and offered just 3 simple words: toe the line. At first, I thought it simply meant stay in line, follow the rules, and don't mess up. But as the years passed and I faced the world beyond the academy walls, I understood what it truly meant. Toe the line is not about blind obedience. It's about choosing courage over comfort, principle over pressure, and integrity over indifference. It is about standing tall when no one is watching and rising again when everything inside you wants to quit. In the Bureau of Fire Protection, you will be tested not just by flames but by fatigue, frustration, and fear. Like most of my upperclassmen says, there will be moments when it's easier to cut corners or look the other way. But that is exactly when you must stand firm and toe the line. Maintain your bearing, for you are a representation of the organization. Follow the chain of command and hold the line, not just against fire, but against complacency and compromise. There's a line in the Desiderata that says, "Go placidly amid the noise and haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence." In the world of human service, we are shaped by pressure, urgency, and the constant call of duty. Those words reminds us that true strength is quiet and true discipline begins within. Amid commands, alarms, and chaos, we must learn to be still, to learn, to reflect, so we can lead with clarity, not just by authority. Another line says, be yourself, especially do not feign affections, because authenticity matters. Lead with your heart, act with integrity, and never pretend to care, because the people you serve and the comrades besides you will feel the difference. Let me tell you a personal truth during my time in the academy. I once faced a moment in staying silent in the face of wrongdoing would have protected my comfort, but not my conscience. I choose to toe the line because it does not cost me momentary ease, but it earned me a lifetime of peace. So today, as we salute our flag, let us renew our commitment to discipline. Whether you are a commissioned officer strengthening your purpose, and non-commissioned officers faithfully carrying orders, or a non-uniformed personnel diligently performing the task entrusted to you, remember that we are all united by one mission, which is to serve with discipline, dedication, and integrity in all that we do, on duty, off duty, in big missions, and in small tasks. For it is through discipline that we earn respect, build trust, and truly live up to the noble calling of a firefighter. Hold your head high, walk with integrity, serve with your whole heart, and above all, toe the line. Because with its all sham drudgery and broken dreams, it is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful, strive to be happy, and never forget the fire that called you here. Thank you, and mabuhay ang Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 10.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, may we call in our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, sir, to give the certificate of appreciation to our speaker, to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, sir. Medalya ng Papuri pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection Region Office 10 Program on Awards and Incentive for Service Excellence. In this Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Inspector Precious Marciano R. Cortez for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Troop Information and Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on September 8, 2025 at the Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment serve to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 8th day of September 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gomamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.